welcome back to Starting from Scratch. I'm actually going to a birthday party today, and so today we're going to be making cheesecake. I'm actually making a chocolate pudding pie cake? I don't know. This is another tasty video. I'm a little skeptical to do it because the last time we did a tasty video, although it was 95% my fault, it didn't turn out great. So before we begin, let me tell you a little something about my day. So today I had to go get the ingredients for this cake, and I was walking through the store, center button, right up front and center, was just open. I don't know how long I was walking through the store. I was wearing a crossbody purse, so I think it just like popped it right open, and like the goods were just on display for who knows how long. I didn't even realize this had happened until I got to my car. And I was putting my seatbelt on and I was like, how long has everyone been able to see my boobs? Let's get started on this cake. So the first thing we need to do is melt some butter. We need 1/4 cup of butter. We need to put that in a saucepan and let it melt. So we got our butter melting in here, just dancing away in our little pot. And we'll let that fully melt, and then we're gonna add some marshmallows. I mean, the butter is almost melted, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the marshmallows in. And we need 10 ounces of marshmallows, and that is actually this whole bag. Yum. Delicious. And then we'll go ahead and stir that up and let that melt. So we want this to get like fluff. So it's like all smooth, there's no sign of a single marshmallow. It's all just kind of one shmallow. And I think she done. So next we're gonna add the Rice Krispies, and we need 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Two. 4. 6. And, oh, that's hot. And we're gonna stir this up. That looks pretty good. We've turned off the heat. So I bought this tin, and it has like the easy release. Whoa. So it actually looks like the pictures of this step, which is very promising. I mean, that wasn't too difficult, but for me, it's progress. So we have completed one step in this process. I've made crust. And in that process, I have broken my camera tripod and my coffee pot. So, moving right along, our next step is chocolate chips. I have semi-sweet chocolate chips here. We need 1 cup of these, 8 ounces. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave for about a minute, and we're gonna check it in 30 seconds, and then check it again in 30 seconds, and then continue the cycle. Okay, hopefully all that footage is still there. My camera just died, and it's been a time making a freaking cake. So our chocolate is here, it's melted, it's smooth, is what it is. So now in this bowl, we're gonna put cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla. And if this couldn't get any worse, I have somehow lost, it didn't pick up, it didn't get put in the bag, my second cream cheese. So you need 16 ounces of cream cheese. I have 8. Half cup of sugar. And vanilla. look at me, I'm all grown up. I got new measuring spoons. So we need 1 tablespoon. We don't need 1 tablespoon, good thing I double checked. We need 1 teaspoon. Beautiful. Okay, so with this we have like no filling. So I definitely have to go to the store and run out, get some more cream cheese. We're back. All right, 8 more ounces, in you go. Stir this up as best as possible. If I had an electric mixer, I wouldn't be getting a workout, so thanks. Yay, filling! Thankfully, our chocolate is still very liquidy, so that should be easy to fold in. And we'll just mix her all together. There are still some white chunks in here from the cream cheese, but your girl's arm's hurting. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. So we have some white chunks in here still. I think it's just a little bit of the cream cheese that isn't totally incorporated. But this needs to sit for 3 hours and I'm running out of time. So my chocolate is way lighter than the step in the video, and we still need to add whipped cream. So it's gonna get even lighter after I add whipped cream, so I don't know about this, y'all. I don't know. And for the whipped cream, my dumb decided, oh, I can just make my own whipped cream with heavy whipping cream, so let's do that. And then I realized I don't have an electric mixer. Like, what was I even thinking? So I didn't buy whipped cream, and when I just went to the store, I didn't think about buying whipped cream because I'd already had this in my head. So I'm not about to go to the store again. So we're about to get a friggin' muscle up in here real quick. So I originally thought that the whipped cream was only for decoration on the top, and I was like, oh, well, if I can't make the whipped cream, then it's fine, I just won't put it on top. And now it's like, oh, incorporate part of the whipped cream in the sauce. And so here we are. So we need about a ½ cup. So I'm just gonna make 1 cup. We need about this much anyway for the full recipe. So yeah. Okay, I got my heavy cream here. I'm gonna speed this up. We're gonna get to it. Let's do it. I have no idea how long this is gonna take, but I have a feeling it's gonna be a long time. I just thought, oh, if I do this, it will freaking work. It's not how it works. Why didn't I just buy whipped cream? Why do I make everything so difficult? So I'm still here whisking away. This was one of my more stupid ideas. I was like, oh, look at me. It's gonna be so cool to like watch me make whipped cream. It's not cool, it's not fun. I'm not having a good time. My life choices are not great. This is literally doing nothing. given up. I have given up. So what I'm gonna do is like pour half of this in here. It's gonna be fine, okay? It's gonna be fine. So I feel like it can't be that bad because it's already cream. I'm already gonna be mixing it into here. And then I'm gonna be putting it in the fridge to set. So, like, I don't know. Like, chill out. It'll be fine. Famous last words. So we only need half a cup of this. Whoa. Let's not get too crazy. We only need half a cup. I was about to like dump the whole thing in. Like, whoa, hello. Let's not be dumb over here. So we just need half a cup. Big mistakes are happening. Yay. Now we will mix this, and I'm gonna whisk it because maybe that will help my cream. Okay. I mean, it's thick, like it will set in the fridge. I think it's okay. We're definitely not gonna be able to decorate this with whipped cream because my hand is killing me. But I think we're good to put this into the crust that we made and then put it in the fridge. I'm running late, I need to get going, so this is gonna be as whisked as it gets. Okay, so honestly, the thing that I think will be the worst, like worst case scenario, is that like it will fall apart when people cut into it. But, okay. We're gonna try to make this look as pretty as possible. Since I'm not putting whipped cream on it, I'm gonna kind of like, will it set with this cool design that I'm creating here? Probably not. Oh my gosh, we are bakers today. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for an hour. I gotta get going here soon, so I'm gonna put it in as long as possible. Probably gonna stick it in the freezer at some point. I have about an hour drive, so I might just stick this in the freezer for the whole time, honestly. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Sticking it in the freezer. That's what's happening. Hopefully it thaws and it's all wonderful. If nothing else, like we'll just spoon it out and eat it like pudding. I don't know. Yeah, she may fall apart when she gets into public. Story of my life, but that's okay. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And until next time, bye.